Number 1. The MP165EL7E5 from Mekprom is a beast in the recycling world. This baler, hailing from Turkey, packs an impressive 165-ton press force, effortlessly compacting paper, cardboard, plastic, and metal into dense, easy-to-transport bales. The high throughput of this machine means you can process a large amount of material quickly, boosting productivity and efficiency. Plus, with its user-friendly automatic control system, even first-time operators can handle it with ease. Safety features like emergency stops and overload protection ensure a secure working environment. This machine truly revolutionizes waste management. Number 2, the Komatsu D475A8 is a true heavyweight in the world of bulldozers. With a gross horsepower of 934 HP and a net horsepower of 890 HP, this machine is designed to handle the most challenging tasks. Its impressive blade capacity and powerful engine make it a go-to choice for major construction projects. The turbocharged, water-cooled engine with air-to-air charge air cooler ensures top-notch performance and reliability. Number 3, check out the Liugong 8128H in action. Weighing in at 52,100 kg and featuring a 7.0 M3 bucket, this loader is built for the big jobs. The Cummins QSK19 engine delivers 419 kb, 562 HP at 600 RPM, ensuring powerful performance. It handles loads up to 12,000 kg with ease and has a static tipping load of 31 ounce 200 kg. The 8128H's lift, lower, and dump time is a swift 14.58 seconds, making it incredibly efficient. With a dump height of 4,094 millimeter, it's perfect for high-volume operations. Number 4, introducing the Fractum Breaker, the most powerful hammer in the world. This massive machine revolutionizes the way we break rocks and concrete. Its unique design allows it to deliver up to 300 kJ of energy per drop, breaking down materials weighing up to 200 tons. It's incredibly efficient, particularly on harder rocks, and operates with less noise compared to conventional breakers. Whether you're in steel recycling or construction demolition, the Fractum Breaker is the ultimate tool for the job. Number 5, the Condor Endurance Duran is a game changer in crop spraying. With its massive 8,000-liter tank and a boom that extends up to 55 meters, this sprayer is all about capacity and endurance. Its unique undercarriage ensures every drop hits the right spot, making it the most stable and balanced sprayer out there. It's efficient, economical, ergonomic, and ecological, making it a top choice for any serious grower. Truly an impressive machine. Number 6. Meet the KWD Colton Injector C15 KWD, the epitome of high performance and quality in agricultural machinery. Its 15-meter width, 60 injection wheels, and 8,500L tank make it a powerhouse in the field. The machine's design minimizes soiling and ensures safe travel. With the capability to cover 15 hectares per hour at 10 km/h, it's built for efficiency. Uncompromising in every detail, this injector is a farmer's dream. Number 7, the Dresta TD40EXP sets new standards in crawler dozers. With its 515 HP engine and 67.7-ton weight, it delivers exceptional performance for heavy-duty tasks. The 18.6 to 39.8 N3 blade capacity range and superior drawbar pull make it ideal for the most challenging jobs. Its modular construction and one-piece mainframe provide durability and ease of maintenance. This dozer is a testament to Dresta's expertise in designing efficient and powerful machines. Number 8, the Pacific P16 is a beast. Built for the logging industry, this super heavy off-road truck might be slow and clunky, but its ability to traverse rough terrain is unmatched. With its unique tires, monstrous torque, and always-on differential lock, the P16 can get through mud like a champ, perfect for hauling long logs and heavy semi-trailers. Number 9, the John Deere 9620 RX is an absolute powerhouse. With its Cummins X15 14.9L engine and 36-inch Camso AG 6500 tracks, this beast can handle anything you throw at it. The premium Command View 3 cab with suspension and leather comfort package makes long hours in the field a breeze. Truly a top-tier machine. Number 10, Oxbow 434's continuous cutting technology is a winner, ensuring high-quality hay and minimizing losses. This patented feature is a testament to Oxbow's commitment to innovation and excellence in hay harvesting. Number 11, at 19.7 tons, the VTI 5 or 3/6 is the lightest in its class, offering an average turning circle of just 15.1 meters. The and counter-steering front and rear wheels make maneuvering this powerful machine a breeze. Number 12, with its high-torque diesel engine, the MT700 crushes through tasks with ease. The ability to maintain low RPMs while delivering massive power ensures lower fuel consumption without sacrificing efficiency. Number 13, the ATP cable plow is incredibly versatile. It handles everything from small cables to large 180mm diameter pipes. Plus, its ability to install high voltage cables up to 110 kV makes it a powerhouse for any project. Number 14, round baler, 9X Ninameft. This is next-level baling technology. The size and weight of these bales are unprecedented. With the upcoming modification to help with bale rolling, this baler is setting new standards for efficiency and productivity. Number 15, Agrifac Endurance 8000L 36. The 8000L capacity and quick filling system make the Condor Endurance a powerhouse in the field. It's amazing how it handles the ADHA mix and still delivers fast and efficient spraying. The advancements in boom technology are impressive,